Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. And how are you all? So today I have a really sweet message to share with you all. Uh, it's been Diwali, and I think yesterday was the last day of Diwali, if I'm not mistaken. And see, I'm born in a Catholic family. I'm not born in a Hindu family, so I do take part in the community activities whenever I get to. However, I'm not born in a Hindu family, but that is the religion of my choice, because twin flames are here to, not be codependent on the identity factor. You have to be able to choose your identity, choose the religion you want, choose the locality you want, choose the friends you want. So this enhances the solar plexus, okay, because that is the center of the self. Okay, so you have to honor who you truly are, and on the deepest level I deeply resonate with the Hindu religion and not the Catholic religion so much. So uh, so what I want to share with you all today is how I have been lighting the lamp, and I have been making fruit and sweet offerings to Goddess Lakshmi, which I do every year. And the year before, I remember I had gone to the beach and I had collected shells. Okay, I had collected shells, and because Goddess Lakshmi loves the shells, so I had spent a lot of time collecting the shells and made that as an offering for the goddess. But this year I made my usual offerings. I lit a lamp and I put the offerings. So what happened is, today it came dawn on me. I realized that the goddess Lakshmi had already visited me, and I'm like, okay, the goddess has visited me. Okay, I couldn't see her because my third eye is not yet open. It is partially open, it is activated, but that balancing has not happened. So the goddess Lakshmi visited me. I know that. How? Because I am a fan of incense sticks, and I had ordered this Satya Nag Champa incense sticks, and it is very, very difficult to find the original incense, original Satya Sai incense sticks, Nag Champa. So now Nag Champa is a blend of incense that is made out of champa flowers, sandalwood, and many other ingredients. But each company has their own secret ingredients. It's like a recipe, the incense recipe. So Satya is very popular, especially abroad. It's exported more abroad, and I feel that there are a lot of fake Satyas. Okay, or there are two varieties of Satyas. I'm not sure what is the real case going on. I think both the possibilities are going on. There is the original Satya, there is the lower quality Satya that is manufactured, and as well as the fake ones that are going on in the market. So the point being, the Indian community usually is not aware of what is the original Satya incense. The one which is available in the market commonly is sold at the same price as the original. That one is not the original one, it is just the chemical one. So there is a difference between incense that is made out of masalas and herbs and the incense which is made out of chemicals. There is the chemical one. It smells like syrup, just the syrup that we have now when we get cold. So the chemical one smells like that. So this Diwali, when I had ordered the Satya incense, I found the original incense, and it was such an unexpected gift, because I was thinking that a certain variety was the original one, which was actually the lower quality one. So if you're getting what I'm saying, I wasn't aware of what is the actual original one. Okay, so I ordered the incense, and I was expecting a certain particular incense which I thought was the original. It wasn't. But this time, for a good price, I have got original Satya Nag Champa, and they have another variety called Super Hit. So it's a combo pack. Both the incense comes in that pack. So I've got the original one, and the next day after I got that packet of incense, I was really happy because it was smelling like divine. Okay, it was smelling divine. And next day when I was researching on my incense, I found out that champa incense stands for, symbolizes the goddess Lakshmi. Okay, and Nag Champa is the same thing as Champa. It's not original pure Champa, it's a mixture, but it is a symbol of the goddess Lakshmi. Okay, so then it dawned on me, like, oh my god, how, like, I got this original Nag Champa incense, and that too when Diwali is going on and I was putting my regular offerings for the goddess. And then through another incense related video, I come to know that Nag Champa is the the symbolic aroma, the fragrance of the goddess Lakshmi. So then it dawned on me that yes, the goddess Lakshmi had visited me, and the sign of her visit was that I had finally found the original Nag Champa incense, which a lot of people are struggling to find, but they just can't seem to find the original seller, and they can't find the incense. Sometimes the same seller sells both the original as well as the duplicate. So it's like, you're lucky to get it, and it's like, if you get it, you better stock up on it, because it's hard to find. So this is how I got the validation, because when the gods and goddesses visit you, they always let you know through different signs. And by getting the Nag Champa incense, and later on through my research figuring out that Champa symbolizes the goddess Lakshmi specifically, that's when it dawned on me that yes, this is the Diwalis, they are happening, and the goddess Lakshmi was really happy with whatever I had offered her. And yeah, so such a pleasant experience, and I wanted to share this with my community, because if you have to build a relationship with the divine, and this is how the relationship with the divine and the gods and goddesses, these archetypes, this is how it works, this is how the communication happens. Okay, so I hope you all liked this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and do work on your connection with the divine. Okay, because the twin flames, the star seeds, they are not human. They basically come from the Devlok. Okay, so they come from higher dimensions, and so it's very easy, it's easy for us to get connected to the divinities. And I was sharing my experience of how the goddess communicated with me, how she gave me this gift, because the gift that I got for Diwali, the original Satya incense, is such a rare gift, because even when you have the money, you don't find such a thing. You get it. It's like, if you have that grace, especially incense is actually certain frequencies. The incense that is made, when it is burned, it gives off certain vibrational frequencies. So to find original incense, or to light original incense and high quality incense in your house, good incense, what I mean to say, even to find it, you have to be on a very high frequency level. To find an original incense, okay, which is really of a high quality, you require to be on a certain frequency. Like, you don't easily, what I mean to say is, you don't easily find high quality incense unless you're also vibrating at that frequency, because this is what I have experienced, because there was a particular incense that I was struggling to find. I couldn't find it for many months. I couldn't find it, but then I did some energy clearing on my sacral chakra, and as soon as I did an energy clearing on the sacral chakra, I found the right seller, and I found the original incense. Okay, so goddess Lakshmi, she comes to you when you do the clearing of the solar plexus incense. Okay, I'm sorry, the solar plexus chakra, because solar plexus is governed by Lord Vishnu. That's what I think, if I'm not mistaken. Solar plexus is governed by the Lord Vishnu. So Lakshmi is Lord Vishnu's wife, and when you do clearing on your solar plexus, correct me if I'm wrong, I think the deity, it is also Ram is also a deity of solar plexus, and so is goddess Lord Vishnu. and Goddess Lakshmi. So I've been doing clearings on the solar plexus also. So I think that was the gift of Goddess Lakshmi who came to me, because solar plexus symbolizes success and Lakshmi means success. Lakshmi doesn't mean wealth. Lakshmi means all forms of abundance. That's why you have the term Ashta Lakshmi, 8 types of wealth. So success is a holistic state of living. It's not just paper money or some credit money. It's not just money. Lakshmi and wealth is very holistic. It is basically energy. So Lakshmi comes to you when you heal your solar plexus chakra, when you work on and clear your solar plexus chakra. So this was the Diwali gift I got, and this was the confirmation of the visit that Goddess Lakshmi had paid to me. So this is what I want to share with you, my lovely friends. I wish you all a happy Diwali and a beautiful year ahead. Alright, so I'll see you again sometime.